Today I am going to show you that how to download Assassin's Creed Identify for mobile phone, for Android phone. You will get it for free. Just follow me what I do. This is the website where you can get the game. I will post this link to my description. You can check it out. So scroll down so you can find download APK. Just click on that. You will get the link opens and just click on download. Here you can click. So it's 92 MB size. There is in-game download too, so click on OK. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. Now if when it's downloaded, so you can install it. So now I'm going to open it, so how it looks. So there is an in-game download about 1600 MB. So this is the game. You will enjoy it a lot. So it's connecting now. This you have to download, so there's an ad. So there is the game. You can't believe it. So it's a real Assassin's Creed which you played on PlayStation's computer. So this is first time on mobile phone you can download it. So now it's loading for you. It will be download in game, so download it full. It's about 1600 MB and it's downloading now. So just follow what instructions, what it says. Follow what he says. For the objective, so there I have to go. Here I have to go again. I have to kill this guy. Yes, there he goes. So there comes many more. Let's fight. Come on. Oh no. Come on. So let's kill them. Come on, go. There it goes. There's a wall. You beat me. You hit me. There it goes. See that accumulates the power. There it goes. Both of them. So now just to run. So there he goes. You can see it's on mobile phone. First time you can climb up walls. You can do a parkour on it. It's a very great game. Download it. If I helped you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon to get more videos and more tutorials. Thank you so much.